The world recently saw Sunita Williams spend over 9 months in space. Astronauts today spend a lot of time in space and need food that not only has a long shelf life, but also retains its nutrition. How is that done? Watch the next story to find out.
In March this year, NASA astronauts Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore returned to Earth after spending 9 months in space. Their stint on the International Space Station ended up being twice as long as planned due to technical issues with their spacecraft. Whether planned or not, astronauts today need to be prepared for long space missions. A big part of that prep involves nutrition. So how do astronauts eat or drink in space? Does food taste different in space? And how does it stay edible for a long period of time? Well, this is where technology comes into play. When it comes to crafting space food for astronauts, only a handful of countries, including the US, Russia, and Japan, are at the forefront of its development and supply. But now, Bulgaria too will be entering the space food race, sending aboard high-tech food products specially crafted for astronauts. The Balkan nation was, in fact, once a world leader in developing food for space missions. That was back in the 1970s, when the space industry itself was fairly new. Now, after a long hiatus, Bulgaria is aiming to reclaim its place among the biggest manufacturers of space food globally. Driving this ambitious plan is a Bulgarian food tech company, Antarta.
We made the decision to begin producing space food, as there are currently no other companies in the world offering exactly what we do. While some businesses produce freeze-dried food, similar in format to ours, our products stand out due to the specialized expertise and extensive experience of the Institute of Cryobiology and Food Technology. We work in close partnership with the Institute on joint projects, and their scientific know-how plays a key role in the development and quality of our space food.
This is Antarta's kitchen, a place where culinary expertise meets space exploration. From noodles and veggies to milk and meat products, this is where space food for astronauts is prepared. But is it really as simple as it looks in the video? The answer is no. Unlike traditional foods, the space food is first cooked and then freeze-dried before being packaged for space missions. Freeze-drying is used to preserve the food's texture, flavor, and nutritional content. This technique also helps extend the food's shelf life.
Freeze-drying is a process based on the principle of sublimation. In this method, moisture is removed from frozen products under vacuum by transforming ice crystals directly into vapor, bypassing the liquid phase. This technique preserves the original shape and structure of the product, extracting only the moisture while retaining all valuable components, such as vitamins, minerals, hormones, and even living microorganisms.
Once the food is in space, all that is required is to add some water or other necessary liquids to the package, and the food is ready to be eaten. Antarta has already developed over 30 high-tech dishes, set menus, beverages, and functional food supplements to support the space industry.
We are currently in discussions with suppliers of space food for the International Space Station and are hopeful that our products will soon receive approval. Our goal is to see Bulgarian-made space food launched into orbit and contributing to missions beyond Earth.
As astronauts continue to push the limits of human endurance, companies like Antarta are redefining what it means to eat in space. The booming space food industry is not only expanding, but it's also making sure that our explorers stay healthy and strong no matter how far they venture.